If you're the one who wants to attain the name and fame in life and struggle quite a lot, or there are other struggles going on in your life, stay with me. I'm about to share some amazing hacks. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. Today I'm sharing with you some amazing pro tips and hacks on how you can attain the name and fame that you have been really trying hard, whether you want to make it to the Hollywood or the Bollywood. Well, first, on starting first Sunday for the 7 Sundays, either consecutive Sundays or 7 Sundays in the same year, take a piece of jaggery from your father or your grandfather, paternal side grandfather or the maternal side grandfather, or someone you consider father-like figure. 7 Sundays. And if due to health reasons you cannot eat jaggery, then still take the piece of jaggery, then use it in the meals for the family. Our next one. Well, these are some amazing hacks. The other struggles in your life, if you feel that you work very hard for the project or the deal or the bargain or even the marriage proposals, things seem to be moving slowly, like very slowly. Go slow and then stop, then slow and stop, or they just don't materialize towards the end. Then for that, especially I believe if you have in your astro chart either Saturn, Rahu or Ketu or Mars 6th, 8th, 12th house or debilitated. Irrespective of that, if you think in your life you're going through a lot of struggle and things just take a break and then move, take a break and move and then fizzle out. Every Saturday, keep some light blue with you. My habit is I just keep a light blue handkerchief. You can get creative now. Don't wear all blue. Light blue, anything light blue. The third one, in the northeast corner of your house, that is the corner which will give you the new ideas, connect you to the new folk and enlighten your mind. If you have kept that corner heavy, or you kept the sofa or the couch or the TV or the useless junk there, you will know that you are the one who's always complaining, my mind just doesn't work at the right time. I wanted to say but it didn't occur to me, or I really knew what to do but that time the answer just didn't come to me. Well, in that case, trust me, your northeast corner is heavy. Northeast is the one, if it's open, if you use some light blue, bluish stuff there, you will have new ideas and clarity. Otherwise, you will always be lost, like disillusioned. Let me know in comments if you are the one who knows what to say, but at the right time just things doesn't occur. They don't occur to you. Northeast. These pro hacks make your life much simple. Before I share more, quickly subscribe to our channel and leave me the comment. So far, the tip on the name and fame. So far, for tip for your struggle, tip for the right time at the right thing you say, I have shared. If you face any issues. Next one, if you are the one due to the lifestyle or anything have gotten used to eating in your bedroom, well, then trust me, the planet Rahu, we say you are activating by eating meals in your bedroom. A lot of people do that. So if you want better success in life, stop eating meals. And on eating meals, just the thought occurred to me, if you also eat in the chipped cups or the chipped plates, you are activating Rahu. That means issues, delays and more struggles. Avoid doing both things. Now, another thing, if you want to be really famous and get a lot of success, make someone your guru. Make someone your guru. Now, bonus tip is still coming, but remember, each of these tips, I have experienced it and that's what I'm sharing you here. Find someone you consider your guru. Now, that person may not know you. They are really famous, well known in the community, or they're influencers or celebrity. That is fine. You know them, that is important, and intentionally you consider them as your guru. You will see the changes in your life when you make someone your guru. But if you are connected and you really trust them, more the merrier, the better. Now comes the amazing tip. And this I have observed from my experience, and that's what I'm sharing with you. Now, Another thing, on amazing this bonus tip, someone you consider rich and famous, get from them the tulsi plant, the Indian holy basil. Now, if they have, they may not give you. Find someone, build a relationship, because this will ensure in your life you're always rich and affluent. Trust me. But if they give you with their pure heart and their blessing, oh my God, you will see the transformation in your life. The tulsi plant is prayed, the holy basil plant. Get from them and see the changes in your life. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Take care.